how to remove navigate to admin bar. Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can remove navigate to admin bar. Now there's one way that you can remove this bar, and that is by actually going ahead and opening up your store. That is right. The only way that you can are seeing this bar is because you are the admin. If you log in with a different account, or you sign in with a different account, or you open your website incognito mode, you will not be seeing this. You are only seeing this because you are the admin and it's linking this website to your account. That's why you are seeing that button right here. But if it's someone else on a different computer on a different website, but if it's someone else seeing your website on a different computer, they won't be able to see this button. So you don't have to worry about it because they are not the admin. You are the admin. So there's really no need to remove this button at all. To actually do that, all you got to do is just simply go ahead and pick a plan. So over here, you can see it says, it is password protected, and you can go ahead and manage a password. So let me actually do that. So over here, as you can see, I'm using the incognito mode and there is no bar over here. So if I come over here onto this page, it's right here, navigate to, admin. It says right here because I am the admin. But if I log in with on an incognito, if I, visit my website, you won't be able to see it because it's not there. As you can see, there is no bar here, no button, no bar, no nothing. So rest assured, you don't have to actually remove the bar. You don't have to edit any code or anything like that. It's just I wanted to show you guys because there's a lot of videos online that are telling you to do that, but you don't actually need to do that. It's gone. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.